And this big one. Ooh, stuff is falling. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am here today to do a little bit of organizing. So I thought of spring cleaning since spring is officially here. I said I wanted to clean up, and I thought of makeup and skincare, all the stuff I have that especially since Corona hit, that I haven't cleaned up and organized. So now I want to get all the way into it because I'm like, I have too much stuff around in places they are not supposed to be. So this is pretty much spring cleaning for me, and also just decluttering and organizing. So I can't wait to get it started. But before I do, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into this organization. Gonna get rid of this, guys. Get rid of this one too. This packaging is pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that, guys. So yeah, I think this is getting so old now. She's gotta go. She gonna go too. Oh guys, if you guys remember this, look how much I use. This is that NYX milk pencil thing. You guys know I use the mess out of this, that jumbo pencil to add like the highlight to the eyes. Yeah, I can just use my Morphe base now. So this is going, so. This is out of its box, but you guys know this gloss is pretty. This is the Too Faced, what is it? Crazy Rich. This is their High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. I'm keeping her. Then it's some Almay lipstick, Birds and Bees lipstick. And this is Miss A. It's some lip gloss. Lorac lipstick. This one, probably just gonna get rid of her. Still smells good though. As you can see, I got the cute little Fenty gloss little holiday set they had. Very cute. Apparently I kept it in the frame, but I'm keeping all of these. Of course, these staying with me. That's that contour, that chocolate contour and highlighter. Still smells like chocolate. Yep, staying with me. This is this one, what is it? The Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm, but Fenty. This is the shade Cocoa Drizzle. Definitely keeping her. And this is Bubble Rum, I believe. It's the Slip Shine lipstick. Yeah, definitely keeping those. Oh, they smell good. Oh, this is the Sea Blossom Soul. Definitely gonna keep this. It's the little roll on. Put her on a little bit. More perfume I need to put away. See? It's the Sea Salt Garden and the Dolce Garden perfume. And it's the Shine Dolce Gabbana perfume. Put those away too. And this big one. Ooh, stuff is falling. This is the Scandal Jean Paul Gaultier. Definitely love it. Look at this. Check this out. Look at her. Ooh la la. She going over there with my perfume like she should be. Of course, Aaliyah with MAC. I am gonna keep this one though, guys. Nostalgic. You guys don't know, Aaliyah is my favorite singer. I've used this so much, but I don't care. I am keeping her because it's Aaliyah. Definitely keeping these two. This one is a shade Sorbet. It's one of their newer shades of the butter gloss. And then this one is Mermaid Tears by Too Faced. I'm gonna keep this. It's a weird, crazy looking color. Yeah, keeping it. And then all of these are glosses. Definitely keeping those. And then lip pencils. Keeping those. All of this Juvia, keeping it. Maybelline, 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 keep your nose. if you could see the transformation, there was just a lot of stuff piled up there. Got it all off of there, and I just feel like I understand how people feng shui and everything, how that goes, and just clearing things up, because I feel so much more free. I feel like I have more space. It's more airy, more fresh. It feels more together. So finally got that all cleaned up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel again. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the notification button before you leave. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.